Hey everybody, Justin, 5189 pound hammer, Eastern Oklahoma. I just want to say hello. I hear a lot of you guys, I hear a lot of people talking and, idiots making comments about you don't need a damn scope, you don't need a damn spectrum analyzer to tune a transmitter. You are absolutely, look at me, you are 100% wrong. Not only are you wrong, you have no idea what you're talking about. Absolutely no idea. You cannot possibly tune an AM transmitter using analog meters. At minimum, you need a vacuum voltmeter, a VU meter, some type of scope. But I hear people saying, I've been doing radios for all my life and I don't ever use a scope and I never use a spectrum analyzer. You're the exact person I don't want working on my shit. Especially with the new stuff, the new MOSFETs, the new FET driven devices, transmitters. They must be set up on a scope and spectrum analyzer. It's imperative. They have to. And if you're working on shit and you're working on people's radios and CB radios and you ain't got a scope and an analyzer and a function gen, the basics, you ain't got no business touching one. Because you can't possibly get it right. That dog's drinking out of my coffee cup. Aren't you? Are you drinking my coffee? Peanut, that's not good for you. You've had the whole cup. He drank all my coffee. You drank that whole cup. You're going to be so high. Dog. You just can't, guys. In fact, you'll destroy a transmitter. You'll have a transmitter sounding so shitty. Because, the analog meter, the regular analog meter, as I've heard multiple technicians say over and over and over, people just don't listen. An analog meter is only coupling the current that's going through it. It doesn't care. It's only coupling and it's only reading the voltage that's coming through that damn meter from the input through the coupling circuit to the output side of the SO239. The meter has no idea if that's harmonic signal. It has no idea if that's distortion output. The analog meter is only designed to push a needle over when there's something going through there. Guys, it does not know if it's clean. It does not know where that thing is spectrum. All it is a needle movement saying, hey, there's something there. And that's basically, y'all want me to be real honest with you, straight up honest with you, that's all that your analog meter is. Something telling you that your output's there. Your analog meter is the last thing you look at to see if your transmitter is right, sort of say. I'm trying to keep it very basic. What's important is that signal is pure, clean, and spectrally right, and you got meter movement. That's what you gotta have. You don't want big old slamming meter movement and then you're all over the spectrum analyzer with spurious spurs. Guys, this is what happens when you take your radio to somebody that sets it up on a regular analog meter and thinks that, that they're tuning your radio. Now, I just want you guys to understand this, man. An analog meter is stupid. Your amplifier, guys, your amplifier is stupid. It's a stupid piece of equipment. It amplifies whatever's there. You put dirty ass signal into the front of the amplifier is going to amplify what? A dirty signal. The analog meter, the amplifier, all that stuff means shit. It means nothing. It means nothing. Unless the scope and the spectrum analyzer that's monitoring the signal before it goes there is all pure. That's what matters. Period. So, if you want to sound like trash, hear me out. Make sure the person that's working on your transmitter, make sure that your technician, the person that's doing your work, whether you think he's good or whatever, make sure he's using a spectrum analyzer and an oscilloscope. And then also make sure that he knows how to use it. Make sure you see him using it. If you go to the CB shop and they have that stuff sitting on the bench but it's never turned on, grab your shit and run to the truck as fast as you can and leave. I promise you guys, I've been doing this too long. If they got a spectrum analyzer and a function gen sitting over there on the bench and you take your radio in there and they never hook it up to that, you best run. And I mean run. Have a good day.